Maybe you have some data in an Excel worksheet that you need to edit slightly. For example, I can see here a worksheet containing a list of people's names, and maybe I want to use this within a mail merge back in Word. So I'd like those names to be separated, to have first name and last name in two separate columns rather than joined together. Perhaps it would be a worksheet with product numbers on, so you have some characters, a space and some numbers, and you'd like that separated into two. There's many examples of when this would be useful, and it's called text to columns. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select my data, and you'll find the text to columns lives on the data ribbon, and it's about 2/3 of the way across within the data tool. So I'm going to choose text to columns, and it brings up a 3-step wizard. The first step is asking me how my data has been sort of created and what separates the different elements. Now 9 times out of 10 it will always be delimited, so it's characters that are separating my first and last name rather than being aligned in some way, which would be fixed width. So I'm going to leave it as delimited, and I'm going to choose next. And the second step asks me, okay, how are the two words separated within that list? And the default is tab. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to choose space. And I can see down at the bottom my preview is already showing me that it's going to be putting those into two columns in the correct way. So I'm just going to then choose next. And the final stage of the wizard is all about formatting. So you can apply column formatting at this stage if you want to. I'm actually going to leave mine exactly as it is. I'm happy with the destination of how it's going to separate my data out. It's actually going to, it's choosing from the row 2, and it's going to actually place it in the next column along. So I'm just going to now click finish. And there's my data separated.